Join Emily on her exciting first yoga adventure. Discover how yoga can help reduce stress and bring relaxation into your life. Let's learn together. Deciding to try yoga. Talking with friend.
Sarah, work has been so stressful lately. I feel like my mind is always racing.
I know what you mean, Emily. Those long hours can really wear you down.
Exactly. I need something to help me relax and unwind after a tough day.
Have you ever thought about trying yoga? It helped me a lot with my own stress.
Yoga? I'm not sure. It seems a bit intimidating for someone like me who's never tried it.
Don't worry, it's great for beginners and it really calms your mind and body.
But what if I'm not flexible enough? I don't want to look silly in class.
Everyone starts somewhere, and yoga is about progress, not perfection right away.
That makes sense. But where would I even begin with it?
There's a studio nearby with beginner classes. You could sign up for one session.
I guess one try couldn't hurt, but I'm still a little nervous about it.
That's normal. I was too. But after the first class, I felt so refreshed.
Refreshed? What do you mean by that? Like less tired or something?
Yes, it means feeling energized and clear headed, like a weight is lifted off.
Okay, that sounds appealing. Maybe I should give it a shot then.
Go for it, Emily, and if you like it, we can go together next time.
All right, you've convinced me. I'll look up the studio online tonight.
Great decision. You'll thank yourself later, trust me on this.
Thanks for the advice, Sarah. You're always so encouraging and helpful.
Anytime, friend. Let's catch up soon and hear how it goes.
Definitely. I'm excited now, even if a bit anxious still.
Anxiety will fade once you start. Just breathe deep and enjoy.
Breathing deep. Is that part of yoga too? Tell me more.
Oh, yes, deep breathing helps center your thoughts and reduce stress quickly.
Arriving at the studio for the first time. Talking with receptionist.
Hi there. I'm new here and interested in trying a yoga class.
Welcome to our studio. I'm Alex. How can I help you today?
Nice to meet you, Alex. I'd like to register for a beginner session.
Great choice. We have a class starting in about 30 minutes.
Perfect. What do I need to do to sign up?
Just fill out this quick form with your name and contact info.
Okay, done. Now, what about payment or any fees?
For first-timers, it's free. Trial no charge at all today.
Really? That's awesome. I appreciate that so much.
You're welcome. Now let me show you the changing room area.
Thanks. Is it okay if I don't have my own mat?
No problem. We provide mats for everyone who needs one.
That's a relief. I was worried about forgetting something.
Happens all the time. Don't stress about it.
Stress, that's why I'm here, to learn how to manage it better.
Yoga's perfect for that. It teaches relaxation techniques effectively.
Relaxation techniques? Like what? Can you give an example?
Sure, things like controlled breathing to calm your nervous system.
Sounds helpful. I'm looking forward to trying those out.
You'll love it. The beginner class is gentle and supportive.
Gentle. Good, because I'm not very athletic or flexible yet.
Everyone improves over time. Just take it at your pace.
Thanks for the encouragement, Alex. You're making me feel better already.
That's what we're here for. Enjoy your class, Emily.
Meeting the teacher before class. Talking with teacher.
Excuse me, are you the teacher for the beginner yoga class?
Yes, I am Mike. Nice to meet you. What's your name?
I'm Emily, and this is my very first time trying yoga.
Welcome, Emily. Have you done any similar activities before?
Not really, just some walking, nothing like this at all.
That's fine. Everyone starts as a beginner at some point. No need to worry. The class is designed for people like you.
I'm glad, but I'm afraid I'll be clumsy with the poses.
Clumsy is normal at first. We'll go slow and explain everything.
Okay, can you show me a basic breathing exercise now?
Sure. Try this. Inhale deeply through your nose for 4 counts.
Like this? Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Perfect. Now exhale slowly through your mouth for 4 counts.
Exhale. Feels good. What does this help with?
It helps regulate your breath and brings focus to the present moment.
Present moment, meaning not thinking about past or future worries.
Exactly. It grounds you and reduces anxiety effectively.
I need that. Work stress has been overwhelming lately.
Yoga will help. Let's try a simple pose called child's pose.
Child's pose? How do I do that one?
Kneel down, fold forward, arms out, forehead to the mat.
Oh, this feels stretching but relaxing at the same time.
Yes, hold it and breathe. Feel the tension release.
Wow, already better. Thanks for the preview, Mike.
You're welcome. Class starts soon. Find a spot you like.
During class warm-up, talking with classmate.
This mountain pose is harder than it looks. My legs are shaking.
Tell me about it. I'm trying to stand tall but wobbling too.
At least I'm not the only one feeling unsteady here.
Nope, I'm new too. My arms are already tired from holding up.
Same. The teacher said to breathe deeply, but it's tricky.
Yeah, inhale and exhale slowly. It helps a bit though.
Does it? I'm focusing on not falling over right now.
Relax your shoulders. That's what Mike just said. Try it.
Okay, shoulders down. Wow, that eases the tension some.
See? We're getting the hang of it little by little.
Hang of it, meaning learning it gradually?
Yes, exactly. No rush in yoga. It's all about patience.
Patience. I need more of that in my daily life.
Me too. Work makes me rush everything all the time.
Totally agree. This warm-up is already making me think differently.
Let's keep going. Next is the forward bend. Careful now.
Forward bend, bending at the waist, right?
Yep, touch your toes if you can, or knees otherwise.
Ooh, my hamstrings are tight. This stretches a lot.
Mine too, but it feels good after a few seconds.
You're right. The burn is turning into relief slowly.
Ha! We're surviving the warm-up. High five mentally.
Mentally high five back. Thanks for the chat, Jake.
No problem. Makes class more fun talking to someone.
Mid-class break, talking with classmate.
Phew, that downward dog pose made my arms ache so much.
I remember my first time. I could barely hold it up.
Really? You look like you've been doing this forever.
Only a few weeks, but it gets easier with practice.
My legs were trembling the whole time in that position.
Mine did too. I even fell flat once.
Fell? That must have been embarrassing in class.
Not really. Everyone laughed it off. No judgments here.
Good to know. These poses are tougher than I expected.
Focus on your breath instead of forcing the body.
Breath? Like inhaling deeply during the hold?
Yes, deep breaths oxygenate your muscles and calm you.
Oxygenate, meaning supply oxygen to help them work better?
Exactly. It reduces fatigue and makes poses manageable.
I'll try that next. My shoulders are burning now.
Stretch them gently during breaks, like this arm circle.
Oh, circling arms. That loosens things up nicely.
See? Small tips make a big difference over time.
Thanks, Ben. You're making this less intimidating for me.
Glad to help. Keep going. You're doing great so far.
I feel motivated now, even though I'm sweaty and tired.
That's the yoga spirit, pushing through with positivity.
Positivity, yeah, it's rubbing off on me already.
Break's over soon. Ready for more?
As ready as I'll be, let's do this.
End of class after Savasana. Talking with classmate.
That Savasana at the end was so relaxing. I almost fell asleep.
It's my favorite part. Total mind and body reset.
Reset? Like starting fresh after all the effort?
Yes, it integrates everything you did in the session.
Integrates, meaning combines or brings together the benefits?
Spot on. How did you feel overall in your first class?
Exhausted, but in a good way. My muscles are sore though.
Soreness is normal. Drink lots of water to help recover.
Water helps? I thought it was just for thirst.
It flushes out toxins and reduces muscle pain faster.
Toxins, like waste from the workout?
Exactly, and try a warm bath tonight for extra relief.
Good tip. I didn't expect to enjoy it this much.
Yoga surprises people. You stuck through it well.
Thanks. The poses were challenging but rewarding.
Rewarding in what way for you personally?
I feel lighter mentally, less stressed about work stuff.
That's the magic. It clears your head beautifully.
Magic. It does feel a bit magical now.
Keep coming back. You'll see even more improvements.
I think I will. This was a positive experience.
Glad to hear. Nice chatting. See you next time.
You too, David. Thanks for the advice and encouragement.
Anytime. Take care and rest well tonight.
On the way home. Calling friend.
Hey, Sarah. I just finished my first yoga class. Wow.
Really? Tell me all about it. How did it go?
It was tiring. My arms and legs are aching a bit.
Haha, that's expected for the first time. But did you like it?
Absolutely. I feel so much lighter and relaxed now.
Lighter? Like your stress melted away or something?
Yes, exactly. My mind isn't racing anymore. It's calm.
That's wonderful. What poses did you try out?
Things like downward dog and mountain pose. Challenging but fun.
Downward dog. That's the one like an upside down V, right?
Yep. My hands slipped at first, but I got better.
Haha, sounds hilarious. Wish I was there to see.
You should come next time. I want to go again soon.
Okay, you've convinced me. Let's plan for next week.
Great. The teacher and classmates were so supportive too.
Supportive how? Did they help with the moves?
Yeah, tips on breathing and not pushing too hard.
Breathing is key. I hear it helps with everything.
Totally. Deep breaths made the hard parts easier.
I'm proud of you for trying something new, Emily.
Thanks. It was worth the nerves. Feeling energized now.
Energized even after being tired? That's yoga for you.
Yes. Paradoxical but true. Try it with me. Deal. Can't wait. Talk soon about details. Bye, Sarah. This was the best decision ever.
Thanks for joining Emily's yoga adventure. Keep practicing English and yoga for a healthier, happier you.